Hey guys, so today I'm going to do my Boxycharm unboxing and my Ipsy unboxing and also my influencer unboxing. So first, with Boxycharm, it comes with this card that says the items and the prices and the description. So the first thing is this Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette. These are the colors that come in it. That's $35 and comes with 12 shades, matte, shimmer, and satin. So those aren't shades that I would use really, but it's still kind of like too neutral for me, but it's still nice. Because that's $35 and Boxycharm's $21, so you already got it, your money's worth. The next thing I'm super excited for is this Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lip Semi-Matte. In what color? Red Delicious. So this is $25 and I like this because it does plump your lips. I've used this before from Boxycharm and it's really good for that and I like it, and this one's actually in a color, so that's cool. The next thing is this Girlactic Skin Glow Duo. This is $26 and I believe it's just a blush and a bronzer. And it looks like that. It has a lot of glitter and it's just really pretty and I like that. The next thing is this Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes Primer. So this is a eyeshadow primer. This is $14. It's in nude, so it should be pretty great with any eyeshadow. And I'm excited to get this too because I use eyeshadow a lot and I want to use this. And the last thing I got is this Alamar Cosmetics brush set. 3 brushes, $18. These look like eyeshadow brushes. Let me take it out of the bag to see it better. But yeah, so these are the 3 brushes. I don't really like the green that much, but those brushes look pretty cool. All of them would be useful. And yeah, so that's everything I got in my Boxycharm. Now in my Ipsy, it's like extra tape on it. The bag is really cute. This is a bag. This is probably one of my favorite bags. It's gold with the little eyelashes. Comes with a little card. The first thing is this Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. Oh, bronzer. So I'm not going to use this bronzer, and especially because it has glitter in it, which seems pretty, I don't know, I don't use bronzer, so I don't know if that's normal, but it kind of reminds me of an eyeshadow just because it's so glittery. So I'm not going to use that, or at least as a bronzer. I might use it as an eyeshadow or something. The next thing is this brush. I'm glad I got so many brushes. This is another eyeshadow brush, I think. Oh, but this is from Luxie. This is, what does it say? It says good night. I don't get it. I don't know. It's a 110. Is it a theme? I don't know. But this is what it looks like. It would be really good for blending, I think. Yeah, for blending. It's cute and it's Luxie, so that's great. I also got this Trestique mini lip glaze in English Rose. So this is a lipstick, pretty dark for something I would use, but still pretty, not good to try out. That's the point of Ipsy. I got this Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. Dr. Brandt is amazing. Even though it is a tiny little sample, it's still really great that Ipsy put this in their bag. So the next thing I got, I have 2 Steve Laurent products. One of them, which I'm guessing is the bigger one, I used my points to get, my Ipsy points, because when you do reviews, you can get points that you can use to buy stuff. So I got this. Has a mirror in it. And it's a blush, and it's pretty, and I like it. So I think this is probably what I use my points on. I think the other one, and that was in the color I'm Blushing. And so I think the other one is going to be an eyeshadow. That's probably what I got in my Ipsy this month. It's in Blossom. I think that's the name of it, Blossom. How do I open it? Oh, so Blossom eyeshadow. This is a really pretty one too. It looks like a nice pink color. Kind of chalky, but a really pretty color. This is what it looks like. Pretty. And that's everything that I got my Ipsy. Now is my influencer box. So last time I got a box, it seemed better. It had some makeup items, eyelashes, stuff like that. And this time I already looked in it and it didn't have anything like that. It's still a cool box. You get it sent to you for free as long as you have, I guess, a certain amount of followers or subscribers. I used my Instagram to get this box because I have like 600 followers or like 700 followers on Instagram, and so that was enough. And yeah, so it has this, and it has the prices of things on the back. So this box came with a 40 count Trident Vibes gum, which is a big pack of gum from Target that I can get. It also comes with this little trial size of the gum. It also has this Hello naturally friendly activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil toothpaste. So it's like a full toothpaste right there. I don't know if it makes a difference that I have braces. I don't know if I can use this, but I think that's super cool. I've always wanted to try something like that. And it says this is only $5.99. I think the gum coupon is saying that it was $2.95. They also gave me this for the back of your phone. I got a shampoo and conditioner from Hair Food, Clariol. And yeah, so I got this. And then last I got this mask. It is a peel off mask. I don't think I've really used peel off masks. It's coconut plus clay peel off. I think it shows 2 of them, but I only got one. $1.99. So that was everything I got in my influencer box, and I can link all 3 of these these boxes, like their websites, down below in the description. And yeah, so that's what I got for month of September. And thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Thumbs up this video if you like Portugal, or if you like makeup or free things, because influencer is free. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.